I'm so glad that we have found time with this platform. We are today video as an engineer who is practicing engineering. For everyone, again, students should know the world of aircrafts. There are two essential CAD softwares. Yeah, so the first thing biased because I am an engineer in engineering. So then as we go to the next engineering field. So if you're a civil engineer, you need to know some of the softwares and what a software where you get to to do site development, road design, and land surveying for civil engineers. So you have Revit, which is building integrated modeling for building, integrate architecture and structural system. So Revit is one of the best softwares that you can use. The next software that we are going to look at is designed for building, we use for analysis. One of them, then you can learn on your level of practice and maybe where you practice that and the specifications of that. This in design of how, if you're a structural engineer, you can consider running ETABS. So all these softwares you can try and master it. How do you now run all this? You can decide to do a 30 days challenge for yourself to get started with AutoCAD, and then the next 30 days challenge for ETAB study structure visualization. Go to the next. Keep following and know and get to understand your views and how you view all this. I'll be so glad for hearing about what are your views about the same. So allow me just to zoom it for you so that you can get to like that. I think we will be software that we're going to the next field that we're going to look at after civil engineering. We're going to look at mechanical engineering CAD softwares. So this is made for every CAD software. Next field that we're going to look at is mechanical engineer in the field that it is used for 3D model simulate something. You can use it. You can use SolidWorks. The next one, which I have it here, used to design and even advanced tools, advanced like structures like helicopters and other. I have interacted with Solid, but for the PTC Creo simulation capabilities, and then shown by Autodesk. The next one is Fusion 360, cloud-based tool. It is a cloud-based tool. So you want that you are going to look at CAD software. That is, you remember like the way we had AutoCAD for civil engineers. We have AutoCAD for electrical engineers. It is a systematic design for control system with simple libraries. Systematic and automatic wire. So cabinet layout automation used to design control all CAD, that is PCB design and signal integrity analysis. ThoughtWorks design suite simulates circuits and microcontroller like engineer, and you have not interacted with this open software. If you're an electrical engineer, would repeat again, go check it out, and things out here will be easy and peasy. So these are the software that you need to know as an aeronautical engineer or aeronautical engineering student. And it, whether you are a mechanical CATIA, which is aircraft trucks, is AN testing. So go check it out. You told by us was luxury cars makers for design precision. And you're an automotive engineer, man, you're missing out. and you don't want to be repressed, so you need to go and check out. Have not just looked at it yet, and you can just inbox me and then or comment in our video, and I'll be able to check them out, and we'll be able to share a video with you looking at all those fields. So when is, and this is one of the underrated fields, are they? So see the planets, yes please. These tools help AutoCAD map 3D, which is a more engineer. Until the end, you might learn one thing or two that we may mention in this video. So the next one is HECRAS, which is model water flow and floodplain in river and streams. So man, you need to check that software out and practice and master model systems. So with that, we got it. At least we have appreciated you, environmental engineers of our environment, and thank you very much. And then we move to the next one, which is mechatronics and robotics engineering CAD softwares. And here we get SolidWorks motion, simulate kinetic motion in robotic systems. And the next one is MATLAB simulation, automatic and design accuracy programs, industrial robotics arm. So, man, if you are trying to do your projects, whether you are an electrical engineer and perhaps you're wondering how should I solve this, these are the softwares for you. So remember, I said that you may stay, that you can look at these softwares here and you can make your project very quick and without you missing a lot. So let's go check the next one. Civil engineers, come back on board. These are the softwares for you. So we have Tekra structures, which is detailed modeling of software for you to get started with that. Analysis softwares, and the next one is robot structural analysis, advanced BIM integrated structural modeling, and also we have RISA 3D flexible comprehensive structural design tool, and with us inbox me and I will be able to take you through some of those steps so that your project can be very simple and that you can continue to create and making the world a better place and that the society are facing. So with that, I come to the end of this and I want to say thank you very much for staying with me until this far. Always I'm watching from afar. So continue building and continue creating things and solving problems in this world. So the only thing that we can do as engineers is to scratch the surface in the and I want to can do as engineers is to scratch the surface in the can do as engineers is to scratch, so they will come and they will scratch